Welcome! This video will walk you through a demo of the dynamic retirement income planning features inside Income Lab. Income Lab is the first true dynamic retirement income planning technology focused on moving the conversation of retirement income away from probability of success and failure into a more reality-based conversation around income and how income may be adjusted along the way. Once you build a plan, go to the main plan dashboard to see the results. This is a simple one-page view that will help you answer some of the main questions clients have around retirement income. How much can I spend? And what would happen to that income if things change? At the top, you'll see the plan's proposed income before and after tax, and the current portfolio balance. If your client's not yet retired, you will also see a projected balance at retirement. The Central Income Adjustment Plan section utilizes total risk-based guardrails to help you see how much the portfolio would have to increase or decrease for the plan to call for an adjustment to income, and how large the adjustment would be. At the bottom, you'll see the current sourcing of the household's retirement income, how much comes from portfolio withdrawals, Social Security, or outside income sources like a pension. You'll also see whether this plan results in an income surplus or a shortfall when compared to the household's total desired and essential expenses. The income dashboard is built to help you answer the most important questions clients have in a simple way and to help you better set the expectation for your clients on how they may need to adjust to stay on track. If you'd like to explore adjustment planning over the longer term, advisors can use our test plan feature to provide insights on the longer term outlook of a specific plan. In this section, we have cloned the household and put them at every single month in recorded history, which for us goes back to 1871, and let them live out their retirement according to this plan, making the called for income adjustments along the way. Instead of framing possible retirement outcomes in terms of a client's chance of success or failure, advisors can use this section to present retirement in terms of overall lifetime income experience. This will help clients explore the landscape they'll be traveling through in retirement. Like, how likely is it they might enjoy more income over time than they are currently planning for? Or how likely is it things could turn out worse than expected? Perhaps most importantly, you can paint a picture of the size of these diversions from the plan. Often, the estimated downside picture won't be as scary as clients might have thought. In the adjustments section, you can gain a view into the frequency at which adjustments occurred in the test plan. This will allow advisors to set expectations around the possible cadence and size of adjustments. This not only reinforces the value of maintaining an ongoing relationship for the advisor, it also better prepares clients for when it's time to make an adjustment. In addition, you can utilize the legacy section to get a better feeling for how much legacy a particular household could leave behind when following a particular plan. The data shown here range from the lowest to the highest end of plan legacy across all hypothetical households in the test plan. By examining the line graph, you can see how total portfolio balances change through time when following this plan. Unlike graphs you may have seen elsewhere, where end of plan portfolio balances range from 0 to millions, a typical Income Lab plan exhibits a tight grouping of legacy results, usually close to the legacy goal. That's because in a plan that includes ongoing management, income adjustments are always made with the household's legacy goals in mind. This means that a household that follows a well-designed plan does not run out of money, but also does not vastly overshoot its legacy goals. You can add further context to a retirement income planning conversation using the historical analysis section of the dashboard. Here you can see how much a household could have spent at that same point in this plan at every point in available history. Since we know what investment returns and inflation were like historically, this gives real-world information to help clients understand how bad or good things would have been in the past with this plan. You can point out particular time periods and events in a discussion of what things have and have not been important for retirement income in the past. You can also use our economic context slider to point out what periods in the past were most like today from an economic perspective and see what this may tell us about retirement income. For example, we can see that in the mid-1960s, the period that gave us the well-known 4% rule, income for this household would have been quite low. Whereas in the early 1980s, when inflation was high and stock values were low, retirement income would have been materially higher. You'll also notice a few horizontal lines on the chart. The red line shows the household's minimum or essential income level. The green line indicates the desired income level. The black line is the proposed monthly income. You can easily point out to clients how much income a household just like theirs was able to have in the past and how it compares with the income they desire or absolutely need. This should give your clients a feeling for how aggressive or conservative their plan is. For example, if their desired income is lower than what was available in many or historical periods, they may feel comfortable about the plan. The cash flow section will help you visualize all the sources of income that will drive your client spending throughout the plan. It's easy to point out when specific cash flows like Social Security will start, or how much of their income will be driven by pensions or portfolio withdrawals. Income Lab allows advisors to utilize with a click of a mouse an age-based retirement spending path, also known as the Retirement Spending Smile. This helps advisors more accurately factor in how their client spending may change as they move through the go-go, slow-go, and no-go stages of retirement. Using this chart, clients can visualize the curve of the smile as they age. You'll also have a table below to reference. On the top right of the page, you can quickly toggle between real and nominal values to quickly show numbers in today's dollars or future dollars. The Expenses tab provides a quick overview of the client's essential and discretionary spending based on your inputs. The last tab, the Taxes section, shows estimates for a range of tax types including state and local tax, FICA, and even Medicare IRMA. Using Income Lab's fully dynamic spending platform, clients will walk away with a clear picture of their retirement income plan and the adjustments they can make to stay on track, leaving them feeling more secure and less anxious about their retirement. Thank you for viewing this video. View our other demos to learn more about the additional features inside Income Lab. Click the links in the description to get started today, or email one of our team members with any questions.